Using PTouch Editor to create a little bit more advanced labels. I want to print variable data from a spreadsheet, so I want to be able to upload my spreadsheet into the label design. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into File, we're going to go into Database here, and we're going to go ahead and connect that to a database just by browsing through some of the local files that we have on my computer. I called up the file that I wanted to, select Next, and it brings that database into the label design. I'll select OK again, and here is our spreadsheet. This is all the information that we want. In order to bring this in, we simply select Copy, right-click, select Copy, move into the label design, and hit Paste. We could paste as either text or as barcode. For this example, I'll just print as, or I'll paste as text, and we can go ahead and take the next piece of information, copy that, and right-click and paste that information as text into the label design as well. We can do the same with color. We can copy into that, paste as text again into that. But now we want to try something a little bit different. What we want to do is we want to bring in the UPC as a barcode. So what we'll do is we'll do the same exact thing that we did with these pieces of information. We'll right-click on that, select Copy, and now in the label we'll select Paste, but instead of selecting text, we'll select barcode. Now it brings in a QR code, and we can adjust the size of that QR code if we want to, leave it as is, shrink it down if we want to, or if we want to change from a QR code to a different type of barcode, what we can do is select, right-click on it, select the properties, move over to the Protocol tab. So we have our input, this is what's going to populate on it, and this is our protocol. These are all the different barcodes that we can select. So I'll just select code 128. We'll drop that barcode in here, resize it a little bit because it's kind of taking up some of the information that we have on this, or move this over. Move any of this information anywhere we want to. It's completely free form, so it gives you a lot of different freedoms to do. But here's our label design. So what we did was we created a label with our logo. We took information from a spreadsheet. We barcoded some of that information. And now as you scroll through your labels, you can see how the variable data changes. And when you move into File and you move into Print, now you can print either all records, current record, or a record range from 1 to 71, from 6 to 71, from 6 to 12, or whatever you want to do, and select that Print button. And that's how you create a label using variable data in PTouch Editor.